Hello and welcome in this video for this exercise given during the admission in Oxford, and this exercise is this one. You want to evaluate 1 minus 4 plus 9 plus and so on and so forth plus 99 squared minus 100 squared. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. So when you've got a sequence like this to evaluate, there are many ways to solve that, and one way is to rewrite, the sequence, and you transform this number into squared numbers. 1, this is 1 squared, 4, this is 2 squared, 9, this is 3 squared, and so on and so forth, and you add in the middle term, which is 51, just to see what's happened in the middle. Okay, plus 99 squared minus 100 squared, and you give a name, and this is capital S. Next step is to rewrite the exact same sequence, but this time in the descending order. So this is 100 squared plus 99 squared minus 98 squared plus and so on and so forth, minus 50 squared plus and so on and so forth, minus 2 squared plus 1 squared equals to capital S as well. And next step, this is to add these two rows. We are going to add these two rows, but we are going to add two numbers at the time. Let's take care about these two numbers. This is 1 squared minus 100 squared. So now these two numbers, this is negative 2 squared plus 99 squared. Then these two terms, this is 3 squared minus 98 squared. So now you understand the concept, and this is, next step is 51 squared minus 50 squared. Let's focus on the next two terms, minus 50 squared plus 51 squared, all the way down to 99 squared minus 2 squared, and the last two terms are negative 100 squared plus 1 squared. Well, you can notice these two terms, this is always a squared minus another squared. So we can calculate this very easily thanks to this formula: a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b times a minus b. For the first one, this is 1 plus 100 times 1 minus 100. So you end up with 1 or 1 times 99, and this is a negative number. So if you do all these operations, you can notice that every time you obtain the same number, 101. So now you can add these two rows and you obtain capital S plus capital S. This is 2 capital S. And you can factor by 101. This is 101 times negative 99 plus 97 minus 95 plus and so on and so forth, plus 1 minus 3 and so on and so forth, plus 97 minus 99. So you can notice that every time you've got 2 times the same number. So you can say this is 101 times 2 times negative 99 plus 97 minus 95 plus all the way down to 1. And this is equal to 2 capital S. So now you can simplify by 2 and you get at the end capital S. This is 101 times negative 99 plus 97 minus 95 plus 93 all the way down to 1. Well, you can notice that you've got only odd numbers. So, if you want to calculate this without a calculator, you are going to take numbers 2 by 2. Let's add the first 2 numbers. Negative 99 plus 97, you end up with negative 2. If you add these 2 numbers, negative 95 plus 93, you end up with negative 2. All the way down to negative 3 plus 1. So you started with 100 terms. If you take the odd terms, you've got 50 terms. And if you gather these terms 2 by 2, this is 25. So you end up with capital S equals to 101 times negative 2 times 25. And this is 101 times negative 50. And you end up with capital S equals to negative 50/150. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in a next video.